For our first project, we're going to build a password generator. So let's create a new project here, and we can name it Pi Projects, and click on Create. And once we're in here, we can right-click on the project and click on New, and create a new Python file. We can name it password generator.py. Then hit enter. So now that this file has been created, let's start coding. So Python has a built-in module for working with strings, and as the name goes, it's called string. So import string is the first thing we're going to do, and then we're going to also import the random function. Now, the strings function has built-in methods for getting uppercase letters, digits, and punctuation. So we can create a variable called letters, and we're going to assign that to string.ASCII letters. And we can actually print out this variable so you can see what that is. So we can just right click on this, click on run, and then you see at the bottom right here that it prints out all our letters for us. So we can actually comment out this and move on. So the next one, we want to create another variable called digits, and we'll assign this to string.ASCII digits. String.digits. So we can also print out that. You could run this and you can see the printout of digits is right here from 0 to 9. You can comment that out. And then we want to create another variable for punctuation. And we're going to create another variable for punctuation. And we're going to assign that to string.punctuation. Alright. And then we can print that variable out also, just to see how it looks. And you see that's punctuation right there. So our password is going to be a combination of letters, digits, and punctuations. So we can simply just create another variable, maybe called characters equals, and then we're going to concatenate letters. So letters plus digits plus punctuation. Right. Now we can actually just print this out to take a look at what this variable looks like. And when we print that out, this is it. It combines all letters, digits, and punctuation. So from this set of letters, digits, and punctuation, we want to choose, let's say, 16 characters randomly. So that's where the random module comes in. So we could actually do, so we can say our password is equal to random.choices. So we want to choose 16 digits out of this. So we'd say random.choices, and then we can say characters, and we specify k, which is part of the random.choices method, k, and we say 16. So this, we're saying our password equals, give us basically randomly select 16 characters out of this set of letters, digits, and punctuation. Right. So we can actually print this out. All right. And when we print this out, this gives us a list of 16 different characters. But to get this as a string, we can actually just comment this out. And to get this as a string, we can actually just do password equals, and we're going to use the join method that comes with Python to convert a string to, to convert a list to a string. So I would say basically an empty string that join and then password. So we just redid our password from a list to make it a string. And when we print out the password now, we're going to get a string. So yeah, each and every time we print out that, we get a new string. So you run it again, a new string comes up. Run it again, and it's a new string. So basically that's how to build a password generator with Python. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next lesson.